Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. So here you can see it, number 1723. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to update your iTunes. If it doesn't help you, another way you can also try is just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So if you still have this error, so another way you can try is just update your iPhone to the latest software. So just unlock your iPhone, just go open the settings from here, just open general and just find software update, just check for update and just download and install the latest software on your iPhone and just try to connect again to your laptop. So if you still have this problem, so just try to use another cable if you have it and disconnect all devices from your laptop, connect only your iPhone. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.